You don't have a choice, I'm gonna sing more.
Let's go, baby. Yeah. Hey, hey. Okay.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching my fingertips, bringing me out the door. Finally, I can see I'm crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't wanna underestimate the things that I could do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching up fever pitches, bringing me out the dark. Let's go. The stars of love remind me of us. They keep me thinking like almost at the home. The stars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't we couldn't hide. Rolling in deep. You have my heart. We couldn't hide. You have my heart inside your Dapat ko na yung lalaki, sige makagalaw sumasalit, hindi mo naman talaga ng mga kabalay. Ikaw kasing malayo. Parang sa sabihin, pinagpinabalakan magtunggali na oray kumuhulog pa. Ngayon natindihan mo naman bangan kayong pagkakamali na ako bang bilang ka. Ako nga na makakalata. Sino ba nitawag ko ang nandili ko? Di mo na makakagal dito. Tinapad ko na nakasal sa barang, hindi na makakagalaw ko. Nagkatakanin pa ka na kasi pinakmalapit na pinakatakutan ng rahay.
Dito, Pavilion, if you're there, you can come up now.
The reason why we are here today. This is the reason why we are here today. We watched your video. That is it. Yeah? Big man.
Okay.
So yeah. This is all what you wanted to see, right?
To meet them in a group of 10.
Biggie travels. Travel and travel.
Hey.
The whole squad is going off today.
The same questions.
Big plans are going on for Philippines 2020. It's going down. If you haven't followed Biggie Travels, follow him. I'm going to put it all up now on the bottom right here. Trust me, it's going off. Travel and Travel, you guys know them. It's going to be flashing up here as well.
What's your favourite?
So apparently, my man broke the camera.
Straight over me like that. Vlogging, bosh. And I went back, I was like, Molly, I think a little bit of water might just
A little bit of water?
Yeah.
No, you broke the camera.
Bad news.
So vlogging on the phone, it was.
Yeah. We're just gonna go and see Casey right now.
Yes, so being the special people that we are, with our special necklaces and all, courtesy of Hannah, we're going to meet Casey. I don't know if we're gonna get to meet anyone else, but to be honest with you, like I'm a newfound fan of Casey. Like I really love her.
So we've got these guys, Double Travel, just going to get a quick photo. So there we roll. Backstage footage. Backstage footage.
Backstage. 2, 3.
Amen, bro. Amen. Hey, we're gonna have bagong at my house. Heck yeah.
Can I come?
If you're invited, might be a bit lucky. Safe, bro. Yeah. Nice one, man. Thank you so much.
Take care. Nice to meet you. Thank you for a great day.
We're going to party. Yes, take care.
You too. Take care. Bye bye.
So, just got back maybe about an hour and a bit ago.
We got back about 9:30, I think.
And
took a little while.
Cody's looking like she's been burnt straight out of the Philippines.
What a surprise. What's a surprise?
With your vest marks.
I've literally looked like I'm wearing a white vest. It's really awful. Nobody else got sunburned. Nobody. And then I come back and I was like red. So that's always a joy. If you don't know already, go and watch our vlogs. You'll see I always burn. We've had, honestly, the greatest day. Like, truly, truly great day. We've met some really fantastic people. We ate the best food. We got given tons of free food. And just in case anyone was wondering, we did get asked this question if the people who invited us, ABS, CBN, would be providing us with lunch or would we be buying it ourselves. So we got in, we got our tickets, and we actually went and bought food from the vendors ourselves. But they did provide us with a lunch, which we actually didn't have because we'd bought all of our own lunch. So just wanted to set that record straight for anybody who was asking. They really looked after us really well. They met us at the beginning. They gave us their phone number, said if there's any issues or you need anything, let us know. We got the opportunity at the end to go and meet some of the people who had performed, which was really great. We also met the rest of the vloggers that had been there for the day, and we generally smiled from ear to ear the whole day, didn't we?
It was sick.
Best
It was
time.
sick.
It really was. So Hannah, we would like to say to you for organising this and inviting us, maraming salamat. It was the best day. We really enjoyed it. We're a bit sad that we can't make it tomorrow, but it's too much for us to travel so far, and we've got a lot of editing to do, so we're going to leave that to the other guys and we're going to get on to this video. So on the way out, we found a little Filipino supermarket and Chris treated himself to some of these.
We have some.
So he feels right at home. So he's going to do his editing while drinking a Red Horse. So I have no idea what this video is going to look like now, because he's probably going to be drunk by the time it gets edited. But for now, we're going to end it there. I think it's potentially, we might make a few videos out of all of the footage that we've got. We filled our memory cards. We also want to say thank you so much to the guys whose channel name is PM21AM, and they were saying thank you to them because one, they were just so friendly and just made us feel like we were already friends, and two, our batteries died even though we charged them while we were there, while all of the acts were on, and they lent us a GH5 battery so that we could continue to film. So thank you very much, guys. And if you're not following our Instagram already, then head over there for all of our photos. And if not, then you're missing out. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.
Peace.